Hi, I'm Ben Lang, a former Army Ranger and Parsons Design student, and I've spent the last year of my life trying to reimagine the wallet. Wallets are bulky and thick, and as a person who likes to keep things simple, I decided to do something about it. I didn't want more from my wallet, I wanted less, and the enthusiastic response I received from my closest friends and colleagues made it clear. I wasn't the only one. This is Panel, an ultra-thin, minimalist wallet made in the USA. It's lightweight, fits in any pocket, and keeps a firm grasp on your most needed items. I remember hearing about people using broccoli bands to hold their cash and cards, but a band by itself, it's just not a wallet. And despite my craving for simplicity, I need something more functional. So I decided to create a thin support, something just longer than my cards and slightly wider than my bills. With this marriage of band and support, the Panel was born. Our models include anodized aluminum, copper, brass, titanium, silver, and gold. And each panel comes beautifully packaged with 3 custom molded silicone bands. Panel is the thinnest wallet ever. It's beautiful, it's functional, and we made it just for you. Our team spent over a year and every extra dollar developing Panel, and now all we need is your help to make producing them a reality. So please support us by choosing your favorite backer reward and become a part of this story forever.
The right wallet is made of Tyvek, that paper-thin material which is stronger than leather, waterproof and rip-resistant, yet flexible. It's the same material shipping envelopes are made with, but twice as thick in this case, making it twice as strong. So it's not a rigid piece of metal or plastic. It flexes, making it more comfortable in your pocket. Unlike other minimalist wallets that have just one pocket or single compartment for cards and cash, the right wallet gives you multiple pockets for organization without a bunch of added bulk. Plus, you have 2 front pockets for instant access to your primary cards. That's 5 pockets just on the outside of the wallet. Under the top flap are 2 enclosed pockets, which make a perfect place to store credit or business cards, keys, bandages, and other odd items that never seem to have a good spot in a traditional wallet. You might be surprised what will fit, and the back pocket is perfect for coins. The top flap can be placed over the front cards or underneath, and it's this flap that makes the wallet adjustable without permanently stretching material, like elastic you find on other wallets. You can put in just a few cards or up to 12 or more, and the wallet will continue to adjust to your needs. But wait, there's more. On the other side of the wallet is where the real magic happens. Here we have a pocket you can use to display a photo or artwork, which makes it easy when you want to share it with others, and faster than opening a smartphone app. On top of that is another pocket where you can slide your ID, allowing you to easily show it without removing it, but removing it quickly and easily if need be. And now for the patent-pending feature you've been waiting your entire life for, a means of easily capturing notes and displaying them with your wallet. Simply take one of the note cards provided with your wallet, or that you can easily make yourself with cardstock or any paper, can be easily stored in the inside pocket, and place your ID or any other plastic card with a smooth surface in the middle. Then slide it in the ID pocket. Now secure the loose end of the note card with a small pocket at the end. You now have a practical means to write and display notes. But what about the pen? Finding a pen laying around can be as challenging as finding a piece of paper. Here we have a pen and pen holder that keeps the pen tucked in along the side. Each right wallet comes with 2 right-sized ballpoint pens, which you can also easily and inexpensively refill yourself. Just check out our how-to video on rightwallet.com, or you can order them from our website. Plus, the pen holder is both adjustable and removable in case you'd rather go without it. And that's the Write Wallet, the minimalist wallet you can write with.